everyone, welcome to Tinker Tuesday. My name is Miss Anna, and today we're going to be making snowstorms in a bottle. For this activity, you're going to need an empty bottle. I'm using an empty water bottle, but any kind of cup or jar works as well. You'll need 1 cup of water, a funnel to get everything into your jar or bottle. You'll need white paint. You can use another color, but since these are supposed to be snowstorms, I'm going to use white. You'll need a teaspoon measure, Alka-Seltzer tablets, and oil. For this activity, you can use baby oil or vegetable oil. Either one will work. All right, to get started, I'm going to put the funnel into my bottle, and I'm going to pour in that cup of water. Go. I'm gonna leave that in there, and next we're gonna take our paint and measure out 1 teaspoon. There's our paint, and we're gonna put that in our bottle and mix it in with the water. Okay. You can leave your funnel in if you want, and you're just gonna kind of mix it up so that the paint and the water mix together. You want your water to look white like snow. There we go. Now, you're gonna take your baby oil or vegetable oil, and you're gonna fill the rest of the bottle almost to the top with that oil. So we won't go quite to the top, but we'll get close. I'm going to stop right about here, and now you can remove your funnel. And let's look at our bottle now. So we've got 1 layer of water and white paint, and 1 layer of baby oil on top, or vegetable oil, depending on what you used. Now, I don't know what it looks like to you, but in my bottle, my water has settled to the bottom, and the baby oil is sitting on top. That means that our water and paint mixture is more dense than our baby oil. They're not mixing together. They're like layers. So now to make our snowstorms, what we're going to do is take our Alka-Seltzer tablet. Mine's in this convenient little package. You're gonna break it up. So I'm gonna break mine up in the package, but if you need to go out, you can. Now we've got little pieces of Alka-Seltzer, and you're going to drop them in your bottle. I like to do them one by one and watch what happens. Ready? Drop those pieces in one by one, and you should start to see a snowstorm happen. There it goes. And you can keep dropping in your pieces, and that chemical reaction is happening, making it fizz up and send the snow up in little bubbles to the top and drop back down. Pretty cool, right? Okay, some of you may not have white paint at home or any kind of washable paint, but you probably have food coloring. So we're gonna do one more, this one with some teal food coloring. Put a few drops in. And mix it up. It's pretty dark. Add some more baby oil. Let it settle for a second, and then we'll throw in more Alka-Seltzer pieces. All right, here we go. Let's see what this lava lamp looks like. You can really see it in this one. There you go. Thanks for joining us on Tinker Tuesday.